The nose is probably the body's strongest sensory stimulant, and you're probably not even using it to its fullest potential. Some doctors even argue that food and certain odors can be some of the greatest sexual stimulants. And the worst part is that my own brothers, the brothers that I've worked endlessly to make look better, you're probably not even trying in this department. My guy, you can go from a 5 to an 8 if you know the exact scents that turn women on. And today we're gonna do just that. Today I'm gonna show you the exact scents that turn women on. Let's go. Number 1 is mint. See, mint can instantly make people more attractive. It gives off that sense of cleanliness and good hygiene and just refreshing. And those attributes in and of themselves are attractive. This is exactly why a lot of fragrances use something called patchouli, which is part of the mint family, and it has that minty smell. Same effect. We also include it in our To Conquering fragrance. This specific note is so powerful for men to use. It's a dominating scent women love, and that's exactly why we called our fragrance To Conquering, because you will legit conquer every aspect of your life. And it's sold out. It's gone, so you can't actually purchase it, but I'm just giving you an example of a fragrances that uses it. Another alternative to this, which is much more affordable, is carry gum with you. Every time you're done eating or having dinner, pop a piece of gum. Gives it that same minty, refreshing, clean idea. Number 2 is citrus. Oranges, lemons, grapefruit have this strong, energizing, clean scent. It's good for you, and it's good for a woman's libido. See, here's a fun fact you probably didn't know. Citrus scents increases oxytocin levels in women's heads, which is also considered that bonding hormone. Well, when those levels are increased, it makes women want to bond more. This is exactly why our everyday fragrance from Santa Lucia is infused with citrus scents, because it's not only energizing for you on the daily, but it keeps you prepared. Anytime you meet up with a woman, any day, you're gonna be increasing those oxytocin levels. And yes, it's also sold out, but the point is that when I designed these fragrances, I didn't just blindly design them like most brands do. No. I wanted them to smell good, but I wanted them to be backed with science. All the knowledge that I have about everything that I've taught you over the almost 2,000 videos, I dump all that knowledge into every single product that I develop, including our scents. That's why if you go to Santa Lucia, even though everything's sold out, you can go to our fragrances and you can see the science behind each scent and why it was designed as it was designed and why people love it so much and why did it sell out so fast, my guy. If you did not get a chance to try our scents, 1, you're missing out, and 2, you have a second chance. July 10th, 10 a.m. Eastern. Mark your calendars. Matter of fact, grab your phone. I'm going to wait. Put a reminder, because it's going to move fast again. You done? July 10th, 10 a.m. Eastern, Santa Lucia. See, here's the thing. I ordered more than last time. We're going to restock all our fragrances. We're also dropping our new oil diffuser for your room and our car diffuser, which is super sleek and modern. It'll level up any environment you put these in, which also come in those 3 scents. Come closer to conquering every day. That's the power bundle. If you have all 3, you're probably an unstoppable beast. And if you don't, you have a second chance before they sell out. July 10th, 10 a.m. Eastern. You're not going to want to miss it. Number 3, it's women's perfume. Yo, I have said this multiple times. Yo, my granddad was really living in 2021 back in the 60s. He used to say all the time that wearing women's perfume was the best way to attract women. It made women feel more secure. It also wasn't overpowering, and more importantly, it added that social proof in their head that if you smell like a woman, it's probably because you're around women all the time. This is exactly what inspired our Come Closer scent. It's a dark rose scent, borderline unisex. Yo, my wife wears it, but it's sexy. It's this dark rose, like you have to smell it yourself, and when you wear it, yo, literally, you're gonna have women coming closer. Lavender. This one is commonly used to relax people. Think spas. So be strategic with it. This is the exact type of scent that you're gonna want in your room when you're on your 4th date, when you're supposed to be Netflix and chilling. But let's be real, my guy, both of you aren't gonna get past the first 3 minutes of that Netflix movie, because if you got game, you'll set that candle, you set the mood, you let the lavender flow, you let her relax, and well, the rest is history. Number 5, pumpkin pie. This is probably the weirdest one of the list, but hear me out. It gives off these warm and like spicy scents that will make you and the entire situation warm and spicy. And hear this out. the combination of pumpkin pie and lavender can increase women's libido by up to 11%. And that 11% is what could be the defining factor of her taking an Uber home or her inviting you back to her place. Now, there are, believe it or not, certain fragrances that deliver this notes. One specific one is called the Replica. You can Google it. I think it's like $250. It smells pretty good, but it's a fireplace scent. So it has those warm and spicy notes that you're looking for that come from that pumpkin pie. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Those are the 5 scents that turn women on. That's it from me today. See you next time.